Hello guys! Today we're gonna speak about new verb in Russian. Useful verb работать. Работать, it means work. Работать. So работать, I show you here like the verb работать. It means that this word it's infinitive. You can use работать when you open the dictionary. You can see all verbs to work, to sleep, to speak, or something like that. And you can see in Russian dictionary also this useful verb работать. Работать, work. Okay? So, but this verb will be changing when you use this verb in a sentence, especially as you know in Russian, we're using with я, it means with I, right? Ты, он, она, мы, вы, они. So, you have to know that all the time when you are using it with местоимение, we say, instead of say like работать, you have to say работаю if you are using with я. For example, to say I work, in Russian it sounds я работаю. Who? Me. What I'm doing? Работаю. Okay? Here, you at the end. Ты работаешь. Ешь at the end will be at this verb if you're talking about someone else. So if you can say, if you want to say you work. You see, in English we not change anything. But in Russian we have to say ты работаешь. Okay? Ты работаешь. You work. But он, она. Okay, here can be оно. Оно. It means он, he. Она, she. Оно, it. He, she, it. Работает. Yet at the end. Мы, we are работаем. Мы работаем. Вы, you know, we have two different meaning. Вы. We're using, if we are talking about plural, вы, guys, you are guys working. So, вы, it means plural, you, or вы, it means you, but someone who you want to show respect. So, вы. And how you can see the different? Here will be capital V, capital, okay? And small letter. Why? If we are talking about plural, about group of people that they are working, so you can use V, U, so вы, V, first letter will be small, not capital. Capital you can use when you wanna speak with someone who is older than you, or the first time when you are talking with. So вы, it means formal, you. Вы with a small letter, it's you are talking with a group of people, plural. Anyway, both you are using Работаете. Ете at the end. Okay? And они. Они, they. So they are working. They работают. Работают. So let's start from the beginning. Работать. It's infinitive. Я means I. Работаю. Ты. You. Not formal. Работаешь. But we have formal. Вы. You also. You can see here you. But работаете. If you want to show that you respect person, you can use вы работаете with me. For example, you are working with me, guys, or you are working with me, Mr. President. Okay? But if you are speaking with your friend, and you can say ты работаешь, it's different. Do you see? So, next, ты работаешь means you, not formal, informal. Он, она, оно работает, работает. Мы работаем, мы, you and me, мы, we are, работаем. Вы, formal or plural, работаете, and они работают. All this information about present. Okay? If you are talking about present, you can use this end of the verb работать. It means work, work. And you have to pay attention on the end all the time when you are using. Okay? So, I think it's enough information. It's not too much, but enough to memorize it and use it. So, next time maybe we'll be speaking about future or past. You have to tell me what is more important for you. And if you have any question, I'm here to answer. So, if you have any suggestions, ask me also.